If you think the best way to lose weight fast is to spend hours on the treadmill, you've been lied to. In fact, that could be the very reason you're stuck at the same weight. But here's the good news. Today, I'm going to show you the exact workout that burns maximum fat in minimum time. And if you stay with me until the end, I'll reveal a secret method that can double your fat-burning results in just 2 weeks. No fad diets, no magic pills, just proven science you can start using today. I know the frustration. Years ago, I was running for hours every week trying every YouTube workout I could find, but my weight barely moved. Then I found a faster, more effective method that stripped away fat, boosted my energy, and took my body from average to lean in a fraction of the time. And now I've taught it to hundreds of people who've seen incredible transformations. Before we dive in, hit that subscribe button right now because every week I drop proven fat loss strategies and workouts that get you faster results without wasting time. And you do not want to miss the next one. Tip 1. Use high-intensity interval training, HIIT, instead of steady-state cardio. Here's why. With traditional cardio, you burn calories during the workout, but your metabolism drops back to normal as soon as you stop. With HIIT, you create an afterburn effect, scientifically called EPOC, that keeps your body burning fat for up to 24 hours after you finish. Here's a quick 12-minute HIIT workout you can try today. 40 seconds squat jumps, 20 seconds rest. 40 seconds burpees, 20 seconds rest. 40 seconds mountain climbers, 20 seconds rest. Repeat for 4 rounds. This workout engages multiple muscle groups, skyrockets your heart rate, and forces your body to use stored fat for fuel. One of my clients, Lisa, dropped 6 pounds in her first month of switching to HIIT without adding any extra gym time. But as good as this is, the next tip is the real game changer. Tip 2. Train with full-body compound movements. Forget isolated exercises that only work one muscle, like bicep curls or endless crunches. Instead, go for moves that hit multiple muscle groups at once. Deadlifts, squats, push-ups, pull-ups, kettlebell swings. These moves build muscle while burning calories, which is the ultimate combo for losing weight fast. Why? Because muscle is metabolically active. It burns calories even when you're resting. The more lean muscle you have, the faster your metabolism works all day long. I trained a guy named Mark who replaced his regular cardio with 3 full-body compound workouts a week. In 10 weeks, he lost 14 pounds of fat, gained noticeable definition, and had way more energy. Now, the next one is something almost nobody talks about, but it can double your results. Tip 3. Time your workouts for maximum fat burn. One overlooked trick is fasted training, working out in the morning before eating. Your glycogen stores are lower after sleeping, so your body is more likely to use fat for energy. Studies have shown that fasted cardio can increase fat oxidation by up to 20%. That means you're burning more fat per minute of exercise. I personally started doing my HIIT workouts in a fasted state and noticed my midsection leaning out within a month, even without changing my diet. Now, it's not for everyone. If you feel weak or dizzy, eat something light first. But try it for a week and see how your body responds. It could be the missing piece in your fat loss puzzle. Bonus tip. Don't make the cardio trap mistake. A lot of people try to lose weight by doing more and more cardio and end up burning muscle along with fat. Instead, combine 2, 3 HIIT or cardio sessions with 2, 3 strength training sessions per week. This keeps your metabolism high and your body burning fat long term. Now picture this. It's 8 weeks from now. You step on the scale and see the number you've been chasing for months. Your clothes fit better, your face looks slimmer, and you feel lighter. Not just physically, but mentally. You have more energy, more confidence, and the motivation to keep going. That's not a fantasy. That's exactly what happens when you commit to the right workouts and stay consistent. You don't need hours in the gym, you just need the right strategy. Don't wait. Subscribe now so you don't miss the next video. It could be the one that finally unlocks the transformation you've been working for. And if you want to know the single most important thing to do before bed to burn more fat while you sleep, that's in my next video. Click right here. Quick recap, switch to HIIT for maximum calorie burn. Use full-body compound movements to build muscle and speed up metabolism. Try fasted training for an extra fat-burning boost. Bonus. Avoid the cardio trap by balancing cardio with strength training. Start today, because the sooner you take action, the sooner you'll see results. Click the next video and let's keep your transformation going.